So how you can start making $2,000 per day affiliate commissions, starting as soon as today, as a beginner, as someone who wants to make money online. You see, lots of newbies are asking me these questions, like, how can I have the same kind of results with, let's say, a little bit of ad spend and earning big ticket commissions? Now, if you're a newbie and if you want to make, let's say, $2,000 or $10,000 per month or per week with affiliate marketing, I would suggest you start with something that will pay you the biggest pie on the front end. What is the meaning of that? It means that you get the most money for the work you did for one sale. So in this case, if you have a sale for $2,000, the company pays you $2,350, right? If you're, of course, if you have the bonus VIP membership. But in this case, you're earning $2,000 per sale. So imagine this. Let's do the math. If you want to make $10,000 per month, right, from your phone or using laptop, you need only 4 to 5 sales per month. Now do the math. How much sales you need for $50 per day if you're making only $50 commission per sale versus $2,000 over here. So it's entirely up to you, but what I'm suggesting you, if you want to have the results like as you can see over here on my Instagram, you need to choose the, let's say, the affiliate program that's paying the most commissions, the biggest buck per sale. So in this case, let me show you over here. I will show some of the results you're getting. You see $2,500 per sale, $2,000, $2,500. So with only 3 sales, as you can see over here, it was over $6,000, $7,000, basically $7,000 US with only 3 sales. So you see, do the math for yourself. And the best thing is a long-term system. Why? Because you have the email marketing system set up. It's done for you system. So they have email written for you. So you don't have to write your own emails. You can get leads from the system as well as a bonus, right? So you get leads, mean customers, people, clients coming to the affiliate link, buying. And let me show you exactly how we are doing it. So you can see basically the potential over here. You see, over here, it's my system. You see, I can show later, the links are below this video. So you can just click on the links and you see now available, discover how to make $2,000 instant commissions. And all this is done for you. You don't have to set up your own landing pages. You don't have to set up your own ads. You have the support system in place that will help you to set up those ads, to set up free traffic, to set up paid traffic. So yes, you can start free traffic and also paid traffic as well. And I can show you how I use personally Google Ads for $50 or $150 to generate $2,000 sale, right? So basically I spent $100 or even $200 in some cases, and I make back $2,000 sale. I get one sale, it means I make the profit of $1,800 per sale because I spent $200 to acquire the customer, right? To acquire the sale using Google Ads. You can see over here, yes, I do. And over here you can then put your own email, right? And when the person put their email, they will receive automatic autoresponder. So basically the company will send them exactly the email and you can get paid straight commissions to your PayPal, Stripe, Bitcoin, your bank account, doesn't matter, or in your dashboard as you can see before over here, right? So how it works, let me show you over here. The system works like this, you see. We have 3 options. We have Vertex Live, which I'm active here as you can see, right? And why I chose Vertex Live? Because it's the only way you can make $2,000 commissions. So I paid $2,500 for this package. You see, I get social media pack, I got email templates, I got logo, I got multi-page funnels, I get built for me website. So basically I can tell them, look, I want this kind of website, please build it for me. They will do it for free because you are the member. You paid $2,500 to generate $2,000 or $2,350 per sale. So you can make your money back with only one sale and you can start generating profits because you are having 100% commissions per sale. So as you can see over here, you get all of this and you also get all the smaller packages. So if you get a sale for $500, you will receive $500. But in this case, if let's say you only pay $1,100 and someone under you buys, let's say someone under your link buys for $2,500 Vertex Live, you will not get this sale. It will go pass up to the person who is affiliate, right? Direct affiliate. So basically, as you can see, all these small packages are included in the big one. So Vertex Pro Connect and Vertex Elite. So you get opt-in pages, email templates, funnels, website, and also my own personal support one-on-one. So basically you get the Google ad template, which is basically work really well. In some cases you can even spend $50 or $100 to get one sale for $2,500 from Google ads. So imagine this, you spend $100 and you make back $2,000 or $2,300. So it works really well. Why? Because the system is designed in a way to help newbies who are looking to make money online now, starting from tomorrow, when you need to pay the bills or need to pay for something, right? You can generate those big fat checks for $2,000 per sale. So if you're still watching this video, what you can do if you want to get results is click the link below this video, and then what you can as well do is you can reach me out on Instagram or my Facebook, as you can see over here. Just click the link below this video, all is going to be below. So reach out to me, I can send you the links, I can tell you how it works. But the best thing is when you have the done for you system like this, it works magic. Why? Because you can do something else, right? You can be out. You don't have to worry about what kind of email you're going to send out to your leads tomorrow, because all the emails are preloaded with your affiliate links included. So for example, if someone click on this link, they will put their email, you will automatically send them out to respond their email, and they can buy now. They can just purchase under your affiliate link, and you get commissions in the same day. Yes, payouts are not monthly, they are not weekly, they're instant. Mean that when someone buys the package for $2,500, you will get in the same day $2,000 or $2,350 commission instantly paid to you in the same day. So that's why it's the best break-even money maker, or let's say cash cow system that I ever promoted or worked with. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to get more helpful tips. All the links below this video, click and let's connect.